guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another haul for you. This is another kind of like mixture of things. I have a couple things from Target, and I think the rest is from TJ Maxx. Oh, I have a couple things from Ross as well. So 2 things from Target, 2 things from Ross, and the rest is from TJ Maxx. So I'll go ahead and show you what I picked up at Target. I went in there looking for this adorable Bluetooth speaker, and I was lucky to find one. They had them in 4 different colors, I believe. They had white, a teal, pink, and I think like a light, like kind of like a periwinkle blue color, but I decided to pick up the teal one. I know you guys are surprised, why didn't you get the pink one? But I got this to go in my kitchen because I already have this Bluetooth speaker for in here, so I wanted to have one for my kitchen so I didn't have to keep taking them back and forth, and this one just matches perfectly. And I already charged it up and tried it out, and it actually sounds really good. But I love how it's like retro looking, and I'll take it out of the box actually so you guys can see it without the glare on it. But there it is there. It's so cute. And this knob is just like for decoration, but these buttons here actually work. There's a power button and then like the forward and backward buttons. So super cute. I could not believe they had this. And this was $10, which isn't terrible because I think that's about what I paid for my other one, and I got that one on Amazon. And the brand of this is Vivitar, so that's actually a pretty decent brand. And this was in the Target dollar spot, if I didn't mention that, so I think it's so cute. And then just the other thing I picked up were this set of cups. I thought these were really cute. It says they're brush storage cups, so I might use them for, you know, lip gloss or makeup brushes or something, but they just say "not today" on them. They're so cute, and you get 2 of them. You can use these for toothbrushes or whatever you want to use them, pens, but I just really liked what it said, and I like that it says it on both sides, and it comes in a 2-pack. And they had different designs of this as well. These were $3, so I just picked up those. I think they're so cute. And then the couple things I picked up at Ross, I first came across this tissue box holder and cosmetic organizer. I thought this was a really cool idea. So it just looks like this, and the top is like acrylic. It's got little sections where you can put makeup and stuff, but you actually open up the top and you can put tissues in it. So there's like the slot right here that you can pull the tissues out. I thought that was really cool because I'm constantly buying just these boxes of tissues, and I'm always trying to find cute boxes that like match my room and everything, and I can't always find cute ones. So I figured this way I just have this and I can just buy whatever box, you know, will fit in here and it'll work. So I thought this was a really cool idea, and this was $4.99. So, and like I said, this was at Ross, and I of course love the pink color, so that's why I grabbed that. And then I was also on the hunt for a new trash can for my new area here. So I came across this one, and it was absolutely perfect, so I grabbed it, and this was only $3.99. Hopefully you guys can see. I know I usually use my back facing camera. Right now I'm using my front facing camera because it's so hard to kind of set it up. I have to like rig it so there's a mirror behind it and I can see myself, and I like doing that because you can zoom in better on products. But this way is just so much easier, so I can see myself, I can see what I'm showing you guys, make sure I'm still in frame. So hopefully you guys are okay with this. Hopefully it's still, you know, good quality. I don't know if the quality changes at all with the front or the back facing cameras, but anyway, I had to pick up this trash can. It's super cute, and it'll go perfectly in this space that I have now. So that was actually a necessity, so I needed that. Okay, the rest of the stuff is all from TJ Maxx. I went in there the other day, just, you know, looking for new goodies like I always do. I go straight to the makeup section every time. So I did find a few things, but let me show you all the things that aren't makeup related first. I found another t-shirt, another pink t-shirt in the men's section, of course, and I just had to get this one. I love what it said. I don't think it has anything to do with the show. I think they just used the font just to make it look like it, but it just says "No new friends," and it's just this pink t-shirt. This is a size large in the men's, so hopefully it'll fit me okay. But I had to pick that up. I thought it was really cute, and this was only $7.99 for this, so I thought it was really cute. Okay, the next thing I picked up that isn't makeup related is this phone stand. I had to get this because I thought it was adorable. It's like a little suction cup one, so it's detachable, but it's a little balloon dog. How cute is that? A little pink, like metallic balloon dog, and he just, you know, goes on your phone, and you can use them as a stand or as a holder, you know, to hold your phone like the pop sockets. But This actually, it says $9.99 on it, but I paid $4.99, so I think it's so cute. I have a ton of these. I like to get multiple like pop sockets and ring holders and, you know, that sort of thing for your phone, so I don't have to change it every time I change my phone case. I have one for like each phone case, so that's why I like to have a collection of those on hand. Okay, the last thing that is not really makeup related, it is like a toiletry item, I guess you could call it, but this is the Philosophy shampoo, shower gel, and bubble bath in the scent Vanilla Birthday Cake. Now, you guys know I love anything birthday cake scented, birthday cake flavored, so I definitely had to pick this up. This is a little pricey, $11.99, but it is Philosophy. It's a really good brand, so I was excited to finally get my hands on one of these. I've been eyeing these up forever, but I never really came across a scent that I was really intrigued by. But like I said, this is shampoo, shower gel, and bubble bath. I probably will only use this for shower gel. I don't think I'm going to use this as shampoo, and my bathtub is not big enough to have a relaxing bubble bath in, so I won't be doing that either. But yeah, I just had to get this. It smells so good. Yes, I cannot wait to use this, so definitely had to pick that up. Okay, the next item, before we get into the makeup, I have another Fruitia item. I had mentioned this the last time I picked up a Fruitia item, and I ended up going back and picking this up because it was still there, and I couldn't say no. So this is the Green Grape Pore Control Serum, just like this. Just looks like this in the green bottle. I wish this was pink like the other one, but that's okay. The bottle is still really nice and classy looking, and it's a glass bottle. And I'm really excited to try this because it's a Korean item, and you guys know Korean skincare is like the best there is, so I've heard. What is this supposed to do actually? The serum converges pores tightly and creates smooth and soft skin with a protective layer. The grape seed oil and grapefruit seed oil of fruits seed oil complex help in maintaining clean and clear skin. This pore serum with refreshing feeling of green grape has completed skin irritation tests and thus can be used on sensitive skin with ease. So yeah, and apparently this was the Red Dot Award winner of 2016, so I'm not sure what that means, but it won an award, so it must be good. So I'm excited to give that a try. So I almost forgot to show these, but I also picked these up from TJ Maxx. They were both on clearance. They're just some cute little cosmetic bags. I love the studs, but they were each only $4, and I had to pick up both because, you know, pink and gold are my colors. I know I could use them for something, and they're nice sizes too, so yeah, grab these. Okay, the rest is makeup. I don't have a terrible amount of stuff, but I do have some exciting things that I want to show you. First thing being this. This is the Laura Geller Glow Your Own Way 2-piece luminous collection, and it says on it that it retailed for $24, and it's a $55 value. I only paid $6.99. Hopefully you guys can see that, but yeah, $6.99 for this. I thought that was a great deal. I had to get my hands on this. The only thing though is I do already have this highlighter in a little trio palette. Ooh. So here's the highlighter here, and I have it in this little trio right here, but it's a little tiny one, so I mean, I had to get the big one too. Plus, it's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can even tell. I will swatch it. There it is there. So pretty. It's got like a really pinky iridescent sheen to it. And then it also comes with a matching Color Luster lip gloss. So pretty and shimmery. And this has like a pinky tone to it too. It looks just like the highlighter, except it's got, you know, it's glittery instead of, you know, just shimmer. Hopefully you guys will be able to see it. There we go. And I have an eyeliner swatch on there. I always have other crap on there, but there are the swatches there. I think they're so pretty, and I could not believe that this was only $7 for both of these products. Super exciting. Okay, another Laura Geller item I have is this Baked Gelato Vivid Swirl Blush in the color Rose Water. Packaging looks like this, and I absolutely love the look of these gelato swirl things. You know, they're really cool looking. This looks like this, and I will swatch this, of course, but I just love how that looks. I don't know why, but this is like a shimmery pinky coral blush. blush. I don't know, I'll show you the swatch and you guys can decide for yourself what the color is, but there it is there. Super pretty. Definitely my kind of blush color, so I'm excited to try those. Okay, the next item I picked up is from NARS, and I was really excited to find this because I've been on the hunt for this. This is the Sun Wash Diffusing Bronzer in the color Laguna. This is like their most popular, I believe, bronzer. And I'll show you the inside. I'm not going to swatch this one because I may not keep it. I might try to, I don't know. I might not keep it, so I'm not going to swatch this one either, but that's what the color looks like. And I'll take that off so you can see, but it's a really nice light tan color, not too dark. I think it would be perfect for my skin tone, but I'm gonna hang on to it for a little while and see if I decide to keep it or not. I've been really indecisive lately. So, but I had to at least pick it up just in case, you know, I couldn't find it again. Next, I picked up a primer from Kaja. This is the Blur Drop Weightless Water Primer, and I usually don't use a lot of primers, but I don't know, this one just sounded really interesting to me. So that's what the packaging looks like. Really cute turquoise packaging, and it's a little pump. So I'm really excited to see how well this works. It had good reviews online, so I'm gonna give it a try. I think the fact that it's blurring is what sold me. So yeah, I'm gonna give that a try and see how that works. Okay, and the last three items I have are all from Buxom. I didn't find any more of the, what are these? The Vava Plump ones that I showed in my last TJ Maxx haul. But I did find a full-on plumping lip polish in the shade Mariah, and the packaging looks like this. I keep forgetting to mention prices, I'm so sorry. The NARS was $16.99. The primer was $6.99. And the blush was $2.99, I think it was actually. It was $2.99 or $3.99. It's really cheap. But this top coat, Buxom top coat, was $5.99 in the shade Mariah. I really love it because it's got like an iridescent kind of green shift to it almost. It reminds me of, let me see if I can find it. Yeah. It reminds me of this lip gloss by Rimmel. This is the Stay Glossy 3D gloss in Popcorn. Yeah, Popcorn for $2. So it kind of reminds me of this one because they both have like that iridescent green shift to them. But I'll go ahead and swatch this one. I think the packaging is really pretty and sleek as well. And the applicator is like so strange, but I mean, it's strange, but I like it. It's different. I don't know if you guys will even be able to tell, but it's like a little rubber spatula type thing. It's not a brush, but I mean, it gets the job done. So, but there is the swatch there. Hopefully you guys can see the green shift to it a little bit. Super pretty. And that again was the shade Mariah. They had another one in Iris, which was like a real pinky glittery one, but I wasn't too into that one. But then I picked up two of the Buxom lightweight liquid lipsticks. I picked up the shade White Russian, and these were each $5.99 as well. And I believe that this is like their most popular shade. I know they have this in a lip gloss as well, but that's what the color looks like there. It's just a really nice nude. And this one is like, you know, just a regular doe foot applicator, not a rubber spatula like the other lip gloss. But there's the color there. It's a really nice peachy nude color. And then the next one I have is Dominatrix. And this is just like a really nice red color. And I hope to find more of these too because these seem like really nice products. They don't seem like regular liquid lipsticks. They remind me of the NYX soft matte lip creams, like the consistency of them. So I feel like these will feel really nice in the lips. But there's White Russian and Dominatrix there on the bottom. So I'm definitely excited to give these a try as well. I'm so excited to be growing my kind of higher end collection with TJ Maxx stuff because you cannot beat the prices, you guys. I'm telling you, if you are in the market for some high-end makeup and you don't want to pay the price for it, you have to go to TJ Maxx or Marshalls, or even Ross has some stuff sometimes. So definitely check out those places. But that was everything for this haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and saw some things you were interested in, and I hope that you can find them for yourselves. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. I will be planning to film a makeup collection soon for you guys and showing you my new little setup in here, so keep an eye out for that as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.